vlog today, but I didn't actually like show myself today. It was like a terrible, not terrible, entirely terrible. It was definitely sad. When I seen my grandmother, oh my god, I was so like I'm still in shock that this actually happened. Currently my sister is taking out my hair. I'm so over this weave right now. I just want my natural hair to be out. I can put it in a bun. I can do whatever I want. I can go to the beach. Oh my god! I can go to the freaking beach. Oh my god, yes, and just so yeah, that's currently what I'm gonna do. And go to my bed because I'm hella tired, and she starts her new job tomorrow. Oh my god! So now, yo, where's the knife? I said for me to kill you if you cut my hair. Like, listen, it's hard to go natural from when your hair is permed. Okay. Like, oh, I'm so tempted to perm my hair, but I'm like, it's been like almost 4 years since I've ever permed my. Ugh. It's been like almost 4 years since I've permed my hair. So I'm just gonna see how long I can do this for. So many styles you can do when your hair is permed. And like the humidity, like that never used to, you know? That never used to bother me. I always used to come to Jamaica with some wicked hairstyles, yo. Because my hair can't last in heat. Like, no form of heat. No form of, like smog, I guess you would say. Like, if it's a very humid day, like, and it's just curly. It's so annoying. It's not like it's straight and puffy. It's just curly. Ugh. I love curls, but I just wish mine were like longer. When they get longer, hopefully they get longer. I'm hoping like they come like here when it's like you know, curly. When I wash it, I could wear it like that, or like just big. Oh, I would love if I could just wear it big. You know, I love my big hair. I'm almost done, but she's taking so long. Oh my god, be careful, my hair is in that. No, but there was some mixed in the... Okay. Okay, go. Oh. I think I'm not okay. I'm okay, but I'm not okay. My cousin Philip thinks that I'm gonna like break down like sometime like next week or like later on like this week or something. He's like, it didn't really hit me yet, but I think it hit me because like I said, I looked at her and she didn't look the same. So weird, yo. I said a poem and stuff, but I was like, who am I saying this for? Because this does not look like this lady, yo. Girls, why do we put ourselves through so much like misery just to look good? Like, I feel like I'm wearing like 8,000 pounds of weave on my head right now just to look cute. You know what I'm saying? Just to look cute. Like, my man is at home. Who am I trying to look cute for? He already thinks I'm like amazing, so I mean. So tired. Yo, Real Housewives of Atlanta reunion night. Why do things go on commercial, bro? But anyways, I think I'm gonna end this here. Maybe not. If I'm back, I'm back. If not, good night. God, my hair is out. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. Yeah. Did you see it? I don't know if you did. Nah. It's out, girl. It's out. It's out. My edges are out. Everything's out. Oh. Some thread. Oh, God. Alright, but yeah. Hair's out.
Hello, everyone. Today, my grandma flew away, gone to find her big blue jay. Starlight, before she took flight, I sung a lullaby of birdland every night. I sung a lullaby every night. Sang for my violin every night.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for coming. Yeah, good evening, everyone, and thank you for coming. I just want to tell you a little bit about my mother.
At the beginning, it didn't.
She taught me two things in life:
Really?
have courage and be nice. But I was so stubborn, I couldn't understand what she was saying to me. But I grew up and I realized all the things she was saying to me. So I just want Mama to know that if it hadn't been for you, Mom, I may never know how strong and courageous a woman can be, how welcome and assuring a home can be, how beautiful and lasting a mother's love can be. And Mama, I just want to tell you how much I love you, and I love you with a love that never goes out.
Good afternoon.
To my dearest grandma, I cannot remember a time where I did not have you in my life. You were my first and most treasured grandma. I had other grandparents, but they were never as dear to me as you are. Loving you was as natural as loving my own children. I came to know you as a child, probably at the age of 2 or 3 when you first came to Canada, and I love to be around you. I always remember the special things you cooked for us, such as iron cake. This was a made-up version of hard-dough cinnamon bun. And if you watched Grandma cook it, you probably wouldn't eat it, but it tastes good. I love the way you used to make chicken skin into crispy chips. I especially love at Thanksgiving time when my non-turkey eating cousins would come over and you'd make that turkey so good they wouldn't even know they were eating turkey. At the family reunion held in your honor a couple of years ago, we celebrated your then 97 years of life. It was fun and memorable, and we all got together because of you. The very last words that you said to me was that you didn't know who we were, but you thanked us. You knew that we were your family because we were all around you.
Good afternoon. A wife, a mother, a grandma too. This is the legacy we have from you. You taught us to love and how to fight. You gave us strength and you gave us might. A stronger person would be hard to find, and in your heart, you were always kind. You fought for us all in one way or another, not just as a wife, not just as a mother. For all of us, you gave your best, Now the time has come for you to rest. So go in peace. You've earned your sleep. Your love in our hearts will eternally keep. Rest in peace, Grandma.
Grandma, she always had a glass bottle with dark, brown, musty, cloudy liquid inside of it. Rocks inside of it.
What is
and
that?
she would only bring out this bottle on special occasions. If there was a flu, a cold, runny nose, and she would open up the lid
And
of
make
the
you
bottle,
smell it?
and it would be like life or death. I don't know which one it was. But she put that bottle to your nose, when you inhale it, you wake up a week later. But you're better though. Second thing I remember about Grandma is the way that she always used to, she made me feel like a prince or a king when I sat down to eat, when I came over to her house. She would put the soup, the broth in one bowl, and she would put the provisions in another bowl. And then she would have, when she's cooking rice and chicken, she would have the meat on one plate, and she would have the vegetables on one plate and the rice on another plate, all nicely arranged. So I always felt like a king. One of the main stories that I remember is a life lesson that she taught me. When she was older and she was in a nursing home, I used to go and visit her all the time. And at that time I was older, so now I'm trying to soak in every word that Grandma is saying so I can get knowledge and wisdom and information. But Violet, your roots ran deep. That's why you lived so long. Far into the ground of the ones who came before you. You learned well what they passed along. You daily to uphold and sustain you. Your tree was planted by rivers of waters that brought you through famine and drought. You bore much fruit, 2 sons, 6 daughters, now many great grandchildren running about. Not a purple house flower, nor a lily of the field. You were a lovely garden, guarded by a royal shield. Not just a domestic worker or a folder of sheets, but a keeper of thrones, set with amethyst stones, scented with lavender undertones. You were a majestic servant indeed. And your king was Jesus, you told me so. Now, Yah, I ask you to remember your covenant. So, when you resurrect your people, I'll see Grandma again. Miss Vi, until then, sleep the sleep of peace. Amen.
Amen.
Everybody there? Yes, sir. Yes, Nice. Actor. Up. 10. Your step, watch your step. Hold on, Planet.
And when all of life is over, and the work on earth is done, and the road is called up yonder, when the road is called up yonder, when the road is called up yonder, when the road up yonder. When the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there.
Like we take some choruses, we have some programs.
When the morning comes, when all the saints of earth are gathered round, we will tell the story how we overcome. We will on.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.